To remove the front wireless LAN antenna in units with a front wireless antenna installed, first remove the side cover, the optical drive, the front bezel, the drive's cage, the fan duct, and the VGA port cover. Carefully remove the motherboard with other components attached. Note that the antenna connector will be detached from the wireless LAN board as part of removing the motherboard. Disengage the wireless LAN antenna cable from the cable guides on the side wall of the chassis. Carefully pry out on the antenna adhesive and remove the antenna from the unit, pulling the antenna cable out through its front access hole. Each antenna has a tab at the bottom that fits behind a cutout on the PC. Each antenna also has a tab at the top that fits into a cutout on the PC. To replace the antenna, feed the antenna cable in through its small access hole at the front of the chassis. Slide the bottom antenna tab behind its cutout, and press the antenna adhesive and top tab into place. Replace the antenna cable into the series of cable guides on the side chassis wall.